Good evening, all. This is the Dean of All Things Spicy with Conjured Vapors Peppers. I'm here for another pepper review. So these seeds are special for me. They come from a friend of mine out in the UK. His name's ChilliChump. I'll link his information down in the description. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous pod. So this is a Bleeding Jigsaw. And I'm really curious. Let's see what this pepper looks like. Let's see what it tastes like. Handy dandy knife. Wow. For being what I assume is a thin-skinned Chinense variety, it was kind of hard to cut. You can't really see because of the lighting, because of the sun, but it's quite filled with capsaicin oil. But let's see what it looks like, let's see what it tastes like. That smells good. Nice and Chinense. I swear it's got to become like a normal flavor and a normal smell in the grand scheme of things. It smells kind of sweet. Let's see how hot it is. Here we go. All right, so slightly sweet at the outset, citrus notes. The origination of the burn was only on the front of my tongue, but as I got about halfway through the chewing process, it traveled to the back of my throat. It has a little bit of bitterness, no floral notes that I can sense. But she's a warm pod. I would say it's, if you've ever had a California Reaper, it's about the same heat level. So the heat, I would say, I would probably put this on my guesstimation of Shu, possibly about a 1.2 or a 1.3 million. If I were to rate it 1 out of 10 on heat, I'd say it's about a 3. Maybe a 3.5. The burn is long lasting. Didn't ramp up in any way, shape, or form. It was pretty instantaneous, except for the traveling from the front of my mouth to the back of my mouth. Overall, I'd say it's a really good pepper. I would say if you're not a chili head, don't attempt it. So now there's no burn in the back of my throat. It's all on the tip of my tongue. And it's literally just the tip. Just right there. Nowhere else. There was a little on the sides of my mouth and the roof of my mouth, but it's gone. Yeah, it's a good pepper. I would say for culinary use, I would probably, sorry, a little loud. So for culinary use, I would say probably I would use this pepper. If you want really, really, really spicy fish tacos, this would make a good spicy fish taco. I think the flavor would complement that food quite well. You know what I would use this for? I would use this to infuse into some vodka. I think that would be delicious. Let's see. Well, it didn't break out in a sweat or anything. Maybe a little bit. Let's see, a little bit of a shine. Big forehead of mine. Yeah, a little bit of a runny nose, slightly. I don't think anything has come out, but I can sense that there's something there. Let's see, food. What else would I use this in? You know, I think this would make spicy sweet treats. This would make a really, really good pepper for spicy sweet treats. I would probably put this in like a banana bread. Absolutely, hands down, I would put this in a banana bread. Yeah. So that is the Bleeding Jigsaw from Shaun, or ChilliChump in the UK. Please check out his site. He's a great guy, great grower. If you ever want to learn about both gardening, pepper growing, and hydroponics, or setups for drip irrigation, if you want to learn about automation, he's your guy. Great grower, great guy, honest, a lot of integrity. Check him out. Thanks for watching. This is the Dean of All Things Spicy. I'm out.